Alright, it's Rapid City, and I'm driving 2.5 miles to another park. That's not the softball park. It's about 6 something, and so Walmart's not open yet. Even though it had those no overnight parking signs, I got away. A lot of us got away with it, no problem. So they're not really enforcing it too stringently. Truck exit. I need to look for somewhere to get an oil change. I got the one spot where there's possible electricity, but I kind of don't like that spot. Only 1.5 miles away from Walmart.
Turn left at the traffic light.
I'd like to take my chances at this further park. Rapid City. It's kind of quiet this early in the morning. Is that a police? No. They got an all-metal frame for this building being constructed.
Turn right on East Minnesota Street.
What? I don't like your suggestion. In fact, it's obvious on the map it's not a good suggestion. Okay. It's not a great suggestion. Okay, here it changed. This road isn't very good, but I can drive slowly on it. Yeah, see, it's bumpy right here. Yeah, I was hitting quite a few turns. So they have me drive through a neighborhood? I gotta admit, I'm not too enthused. Oh God. I'm not too enthused about this area. It looked like a wide open space at this park. Rapid City is kind of dense. I'm glad the sun's not out in full force. Got those clouds helping out. I'm sort of driving towards the center of the city. I smell gas. Kind of a strong gas smell. Already down to half a gallon. Yeah, I'm definitely in the market for another rebar. I know another one would work great on the other end. Keep it all in line. And it makes me question if the weight would even be needed if I had another rebar. Alright, I think I got this figured out. I only need one rebar because I just realized that I got this magnet pack right here. Provides weight and magnet power to hold down, and I got one in each corner and the top. So there's actually pieces of hail falling. But they're pretty tiny. So it came from over that way, and now it's off in that direction somewhere, wreaking havoc as it goes. The worst uses for coconut oil: curing cancer. Gotta keep your calls simple. Two pounds of frozen catfish and canned tomato sauce. That's it. The storm took the wind away too. With all this noise, I can't hear my videos. Right, I've reached that time of year. It's the first time I got attacked by the blackbird with the red patch on its wings. It was making all kinds of noise and hissing at me when it got close. Those birds make getting a slingshot or a BB gun look much more attractive. I think Ezekiel is taking some cost-cutting measures because I think this used to be more crumbly. This bread used to be more crumbly. Same type and everything, but it's far less crumbly. So it's kind of a concern there. They got to keep their costs down. Alright, BMX here in Rapid City Park is very busy. It's only a Wednesday night. Oh, and the roads are terrible. Oh my God. Alright, such a neighborhoodly drive. This takes me straight to Walmart. It's a heck of a climb up a hill too. This is Parkview Drive. Oh, they do fill in the potholes. They don't fill them all in. So I climbed this massive hill and then dropped down on a terrible road. At a slow speed. wonder what the experience would be like if I went door to door knocking on house doors on properties and told them that I wanted to fly my drone over their property, and then I'll take a like survey of who allows it and who doesn't, and then decide on how I fly my drone, the flight pattern for who allows it and who doesn't. So we know in America there were some major farm movements out of Sweden and Germany, and I question who had the better farmer movement, who had the better equipment to grow the most healthy crops. Alright, I wonder if there's people who time like a birth of their child with getting a new puppy, and then with dogs living such short lives, by the time their child ages to about 13 or whatever, kind of early, their dog dies. So some families will get a dog and a child at the same time, and then the dog will die of old age when the kid is maybe in their teens or before their teens, and they learn about loss. So I've been buying every so often I've had to buy the family size 2 pounds of catfish and eat it, and that's overeating for me, because usually I try to do a pound and I seem to be okay. If there's a food that you can overeat and not have problems afterward, that's a food to stick with. Alright, these are the places closest. Hotel Alex Johnson. Some big fancy hotel. The motorcycle rally, they got that marked. Yeah, that's straight north. What is this doing here? And another? They've been stealing a lot of these. Also, they pulled the guns. They got the display, but no guns. What's going on here? Alright, there's probably more where this came from. On me. On my leg. The cash register is over here. It's even hailing out. So, well, it's small hail. This rainstorm took me by surprise. I haven't been able to look at the weather since this morning. And I didn't suspect this. Alright, this hail is a little bit bigger. I've taken some real damage here. I should probably move. Oh my god. My back window is taking a severe beating. Something's gonna break. This is awful. is the worst. I've seen it. There's so much wind. Oh my God, it knocked down my magnet. It's been smacking it so hard. And here we go again. We got the sun out, and the hail is coming through again.